Hello everyone and welcome to our new video where today we are going to check out the top 5 best ultra-wide monitors in 2018. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to find out the price and more information about these monitors, you can check out the links down in the description and the comment section below. Also, if you could win one of these monitors, which one would it be? Leave your reply down in the comment section. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5 we have the Samsung CF791. Regardless if you're a business guy or a gamer, this monitor combines the best of these two worlds into one piece. It is made by Samsung, which means that you can simply not go wrong if you choose this monitor. From a design perspective, the CF791 features a 34-inch vertical alignment panel with quantum dot technology and uses nano-sized light-emitting crystals for delivering sharp colors while not consuming too much energy. Moreover, the panel has a 3440 by 1440 resolution with a 100Hz refresh rate and the aspect ratio is 29:9. The panel is white and covers 100% of the sRGB color spectrum and is compatible with AMD's FreeSync anti-tearing technology. The screen looks modern. It is white and bezel-free, accompanied by a silver trim, and is supported by a round base and arm which enables you to tilt it for 36 degrees or adjust the height up to 4 inches. Now let's talk about the connectivities. There are two HDMI 2.0 input, a DisplayPort input, two USB 3.0 ports, a headphone jack and a small joystick controller which powers up the monitor or for selecting input sources, enabling picture-in-picture modes and accessing the menu settings. In addition, it has dual 7-watt speakers built in that produce moderate loudness and bass. From a performance perspective, this model increases your productivity because it equips you with multitasking. This means that you can use a Samsung's picture-by-picture function which lets you connect two input sources with the HDMI and DisplayPort while maintaining the original image quality. Furthermore, you can resize the second image to cover up to 25% of the screen and position it as you like. The CF791 is ultra-wide and has a curvature of 1500 R, so it will produce a full cinematic experience, and on the other side it will make you enjoy your favorite games. On the other side, because it features quantum dot technology, colors will be vivid, natural, and this means that the visual representation will be pretty realistic. If you are not yet convinced of how powerful this monitor is, then this monitor can also deliver 3000:1 contrast ratio thanks to the Samsung's advanced VA panel technology. Gamers will be really satisfied with this model because the screen refresh rate, as I stated before, is 100Hz, which minimizes the stutter, but if you add the response time of 4 milliseconds, the game mode function and AMD's FreeSync capability, your gaming experience will be great and you will enjoy playing your favorite video games. Next up, at number 4 we have the Asus MX34VQ. This is one of the most affordable 3440 by 1440 ultra-wide monitors that you can get with a refresh rate of 100Hz. In addition, it comes with a QI wireless charging base, support for FreeSync and has Harman Kardon speakers built in that are capable of delivering high quality sound. From a design perspective, the MX34VQ is bezel-free, has a black and silver finish with a clear see-through base that looks really modern. This curved monitor has a wide viewing angle of up to 178 degrees and is equipped with the Asus Eye Care technology paired with TUV rain lens certificate, plus it has backlighting and blue light filter for minimizing eye fatigue. This means that you can use it for hours and you won't feel tired or have any pain in your eyes that would make you feel uncomfortable. The included stand is pretty durable, and you can tilt it 5 degrees forward and 15 degrees backward, which makes it very flexible. Moreover, it features a really high contrast ratio, which is 3000:1, which is going to produce bright lights and very dark blacks, and the end result is an extraordinary visual experience. Now let's talk about the connectivities. There are 3 HDMI 2.0 ports, one 1.2 DisplayPort connector, 3.5mm audio input, 8-watt Harman Kardon speakers which are placed at the bottom, and a 5-way mini joystick controller for navigation, but unfortunately there isn't a USB hub on this monitor. I'm sure that you want to learn more about this monitor and also get information about its performance and features, so let's start explaining. The built-in QI wireless charger is going to help you with wires, because it has a transparent base which will automatically charge any QI compatible devices from the moment they are placed on the base. The base also has built-in LEDs that will shine an aurora-like glow during the charging, so you can enjoy the beautiful visual performance. Furthermore, the screen surface is great for handling glares, which means that it will avoid any reflection and you can enjoy watching your favorite movies, do job-related work or game without getting disrupted. Overall, it's a pretty nice monitor that has a ton of features and doesn't cost that much considering what it has to offer, so I definitely recommend this monitor to everyone. Next up, at number 3 we have the Acer Predator X34. Acer Predator X34 is the first curved G-Sync monitor in the world that performs outstandingly, especially when it comes to gaming. From a design perspective, the X34 features a bezel-free design with an IPS panel that is wrapped in a metal frame for protection. On the front of the display, you can see the Predator logo, which is not that bright and it won't affect the overall aesthetics. The display has a glossy black finish. It features an anti-glare coating while the base is stable and made of heavy-duty metal, but it also has an eco mode for reducing the power consumption to 36 watts. In addition, the back has a strong dynamic angles with an ergonomic tilt with which you can adjust the height based on your desire. There are also LED lights on the bottom that will illuminate your peripherals, but even though they are not that strong, they look great during the nights while your lights are turned off. Now let's talk about the connectivities. There are 4 downstream USB 3.0 ports, 1 upstream 3.0 port, 1 DisplayPort 1.2, 1 3.5mm audio out, and 2 built-in 7W DTS sound speakers. You can use the ports for connecting your keyboard, mouse or any other peripheral, and you can also charge your smartphone really fast. Moreover, the 34-inch curved IPS display is accompanied by the Ultrawide QHD technology that produces 3440 by 1440 resolution, which can entertain you from every corner and you will not miss any spot. Your experience, regardless if it is for gaming or work related, will be elevated to a whole new level. This monitor is perfect when it comes to the image presentation. It can cover up to 100% of the sRGB color gamut, and there are 6-axis color adjustments for ensuring that everything will be presented clearly. When it comes to gaming, this is really good monitor that features eye protect, flickerless and blue light filtering technology. This feature will prevent getting a computer vision syndrome that would affect the overall health of your eyes, and also you will be able to lower the amount of blue light output to protect yourself from any side effects given by the blue lights. But that's not all. If you combine the response time of 4 milliseconds, the refresh rate of 60 Hz that can be overclocked to 100 Hz, and you can tilt the display 5 degrees forward, 35 degrees back, raise it or lower it about 5 inches, you get an out of this world gaming experience. If you're not yet convinced, you can also take advantage of the G-Sync, which will eliminate screen tearing or stutter during your gameplay. All you have to do is just sync the monitor directly to the PC's graphics card and you're good to go. Overall, this is one of the best monitors on the market that performs outstandingly, and you will love it from the first moment you turn it on. Next up, at number 2 we have the Asus ROG Swift PG348Q. Asus again. This company wants to surprise the whole industry by presenting the ROG Swift PG348Q ultra-wide monitor that is worthy of having. From a design perspective, it features a 34-inch curved ultra-wide IPS panel that can deliver a resolution of up to 3440 by 1440. Moreover, it features an anti-glare display that is extremely strong, and even if you press hard on it, the picture will not distort. The base can emit a light that can be adjusted with the 3 brightness settings in the on-screen display, and there are the long legs made of aluminum with classy textured finish. You can also adjust the height and tilt the panel based on your preferences. Now let's talk about the connectivities. There are 2 built-in speakers, 1 control joystick, 1 DisplayPort 1.2, an HDMI 1.4 port, and 4 USB 3.0 ports, which is enough to connect your monitor with many of your peripherals. From a performance and feature perspective, this model has turbo key, which means that you can toggle between many refresh rates, and NVIDIA G-Sync display technology that would help in eliminating any screen tearing or display stutters. The monitor's panel curvature will produce vibrant and realistic images thanks to the 100% sRGB coverage, accompanied by the 1000:1 contrast ratio and the 10-bit color reproduction from the IPS panel. Moreover, the 21:9 aspect ratio will give 35% more on-screen space if you compare it with those monitors that have WQHD technology. But that's not all. This ultra-wide monitor has a QHD technology with a pixel density up to 109 pixels per inch for delivering detailed visual presentations. If you're a gamer, you'll be amazed at how good this monitor is. It features an exclusive Game Plus technology that offers you an on-screen display with 4 different crosshair types, timer, FPS counter, and display alignment functions. Overall, this is one of the best ultra-wide monitors on the market that is capable of producing sharp visuals and great gaming experience. To finish off our list, at number 1 we have the Acer Predator Z35. This is a true masterpiece regardless of which perspective you see it from, and the price is just another good reason to purchase it and get this beast in your home. From a design perspective, it features a 35-inch VA panel that can produce a maximum resolution of 2560 by 1080 with 21:9 aspect ratio. Moreover, the screen has a matte anti-glare coating and is placed in a matte black cabinet with a red accent and a curved back. Looks great, doesn't it? The panel's native refresh rate is 144 Hz, but you can overclock it to a maximum of 200 Hz. But that's not all. Beneath the bottom bezel, there are 6 buttons and a set of LED lights that can be programmed to shine in many colors, and they will add a lot to the gaming environment. Now let's talk about the connectivities. The Z35 has a 1.2 display port, an HDMI 1.4 port, 5 USB 3.0 ports, from which 1 is placed downward, 4 are placed upward, and 2 built-in 9W DTS sound speakers. From a performance perspective, this monitor features NVIDIA G-Sync, which minimizes any screen tearing or display stuttering. Moreover, using the Predator Game View technology, you can adjust the dark level, set precise color adjustments, and more. The ultra-low motion blur technology will help you a lot while you're dealing with fast-moving gameplay, and it will show you every object perfectly sharp without any ghosting. For an even better gaming experience, you can use the aim point mode that has 3 programmable pictures, and you can customize it for specific games to help you focus on your enemies. There are also 5 picture presets such as the standard, user, eco, graphics, and movie presets. Moreover, you can select the blue light setting to reduce any eye pain, and the dark boost for enhancing shadow details, and the adaptive contrast for adjusting brightness levels according to the screen content. Also, you don't have to use your old speakers anymore, because the 2 built-in sound speakers paired with the Acer's True Harmony will deliver pretty good sound. However, a headset will be better for gaming in my opinion. Before we end, I want to mention that this monitor has a response time of 4 milliseconds that makes it pretty fast and great for your overall visual experience. To conclude, this monitor will change everything on which you were used to. You won't ever have to deal with lag again, because it is very powerful and everything displayed is of the highest quality. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If you wanna find out the price and more information about these ultra-wide monitors, you can check out the links down in the description and the comment section below. And if you have any questions related to them, leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you again for watching and I'll see you in the next video.